Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming OTG support on your Android device. This is non-negotiable. Once done, choose the correct OTG adapter for USB-C or micro USB because mismatched plugs won't work. Plug the keyboard into the adapter first, then attach the adapter to your phone. That order prevents power or detection issues. Make sure the keyboard has power if it's wired. For powered hubs, connect external power before linking to the phone. Now you verify detection. Once connected, Android usually shows a physical keyboard detected notification. Open any text app and type to test keys because tactile confirmation saves time. Then go to Settings, right arrow Language and Input to map layout and switch languages if characters are wrong. Adjust key repeat and delay to match typing preference. If shortcuts or media keys misbehave, try alternate keyboard apps. Once stable, practice a few sentences to confirm modifier and special keys function correctly. Finish by organizing cables, and if you need more devices, use a powered USB hub so current limits don't block detection. If the keyboard is not recognized, first reconnect in the keyboard right arrow adapter right arrow phone order and reboot the phone. Often a simple restart forces hardware re-enumeration. If issues persist, swap the OTG adapter or test the keyboard on another device to isolate faults. A key troubleshooting tip: insufficient USB power or a faulty OTG adapter is the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.